Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open the application and then go to the settings at the right top. Then click on update firmware and we should check if you have the last version. So I have the last one. If you haven't, just click install and download and then install. And it can fix your problem. Also, what we can do, we can perform a hard reset, so put it to the charging case, and after that right here at the bottom we have this connection button, press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing red 3 times. Here we go, now you can remove your finger, and we should remove this earbud. Forget. Also, don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android. And now we should see it at the device list. Just click on it. And we did it. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, also I can recommend it to fully charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!